Okay, next question is based on progression. So let's see what kind of an answer you get. A person has to cover a total of 778 steps to reach a temple on the hill. The person covers the steps as per the information given below. First step is 58, A2, A3, A4, all the remaining steps up to A18 are 30, which means he spent step number 1, A1 as 58, and A2 to A18 total, each one is 30, which means I will get 30 into, now how many are there? 2 to 18, there are 17 of them, 17 steps, right? So this will be 17 threes are 51, so 510. So totally how much did I cover? I covered 568 steps. I have a total of 778 steps. So what is remaining? The remaining is 210 steps. Now what am I doing? A19 plus A20 plus and so on. Okay. Now A19 is 2 is decreased by 2. So from 30 I will be getting 28, then 26, then 24 and so on. Find the minimum total time taken by him to reach the temple from the start. So I need to find when will this stop. Okay, so basically this is a decreasing GP where your D is -2 and your first is 28, and you need to find where does it stop. So 210 is n by 2 into 2a. 2a is 28 into 2, 56 plus n minus 1 into D. D is -2. So 420 is equal to n into 56 minus 2n plus 2. So this gives me, okay, I'll write it over here. 420 is equal to 56, 58. So minus 2n square. In fact, I can cancel out 2, but which I will do. So minus 2n square plus 58n. So 2 I can cancel out. So 210. 2 gets cancelled, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. So I get n square plus 29n. Sorry, this is minus 29n plus 210 is equal to 0. So you have to split 210 in two ways. So 210 can be 20, 21 into 10. Okay, 7 into 3 into 5 into 2. 15 and 14. Yes, I think that will work. 15 and 14. 15 plus 14 is 29. So n minus 15 and n minus 14 is equal to 0. So n equal to 15 and n equal to 14. Now find the minimum total time taken by him, which means we need the minimum number of steps. So 14 steps are needed. Each step, assuming, is 1 minute. So he needs 14 more steps. So he already took 18 steps plus 14 more. 14 plus 18 gives him a total of 32. Now you might be wondering, what is this 15? If you notice, if I'm ending this with 2, if this is my 14th step, then my 15th step will be 0. So my 15th step will be 0 in a progression. Basically, if I add this, mathematically, this will still give me the same answer. But I don't need this because by here itself I reach my destination. But maths, this is what logic tells you. So you need it till here. But maths says if you add one more, you'll still get. So that's the reason why you're getting two answers. Because mathematically 14 or 15 will both add up to give you the same 210. But we don't consider 15. And that is the reason why you get your answer as 32.